Well, thank you for having us back. Thank you for coming to hear us. Can't see you out there, but I know some of you are out there. My granddaughter told me, Grandpa, you can't be a cowboy if you don't have boots and a hat. And so I said, well, I have boots and a hat. She goes, but you gotta have a star. So that's why the stars are here. And she couldn't be here.
Just a cowboy, but a sheriff.
We both sang here, but in different groups. Well, I sang by myself and sang with my daughter, but now we're a different group, I guess.
Kind of.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know. Midnight way for all my time. Forever on it goes, the circle fast and slow. I know it can't stop, I wonder. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever